just this weekend was the Deadwood show, the Deadwood Custom Motorcycles show in Deadwood at the Mountain Grand. It's a big kind of a hamster event because the hamsters have really supported Jason Mook. Jason is the owner of Deadwood Custom Cycles, a really cool shop in a historic building in Deadwood. And I think he just recently bought the building. And Memorial Day weekend also hosted the Deadwood Custom Motorcycle Show at the Deadwood Grand. It's kind of a hamster event because Jason is a hamster, and because anytime a hamster starts a new show or an event, all the regional hamsters try to come and support him, and obviously brought a lot of custom motorcycles. So anyway, I got over there. I got to see a lot of bros, got to see a lot of people in the industry. I met with Luke from Fueling Products, and that was kind of cool. And there was, there's always a variety of bikes. There were baggers, and FXRs and choppers, and actually Cabana Dan brought over like 5 restored motorcycles from the 20s. So there was actually quite a few antique motorcycles. There was like a half a dozen trikes, but the bike that stuck out was his Triumph, and it was just the cutest little chopper Triumph that I would absolutely dwarf. I'd look like hell on it, but it was it was just such a tight little motorcycle. It was so cool, and I would hope that it would win like best of show or so. The Mountain Grand is kind of a great location in some respects, and it's a little tough in others because it's kind of hard to get in and out of from a vendor standpoint. But once you're inside, it's really cool. Well, actually, it was part of a mine at one time that was completely rebuilt to be, this hotel and restaurants, casinos. So it was a great show. This is their 4th year, and they did a terrific job. Don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to Easyriders magazine. Thank you.